In the world of online shopping, coupon codes can unlock incredible savings. Let's explore the types of coupon codes that can enhance your shopping experience. Percentage discounts offer a slice off the total bill. You'll save $20 instantly by buying items worth $100 and applying a 20% discount code. Fixed amount discounts offer a predetermined dollar amount off, regardless of your purchase total. You can get a specific dollar amount off your purchase, like $10 off, regardless of the total amount spent. Free shipping codes let you enjoy the convenience of doorstep delivery without the extra cost. BOGO, buy one, get one free, offers a thrilling double dose of your desired product. You can buy one item and get another one for free. Free gift with purchase code throws in a free gift with your purchase. It could be anything from a sample-sized product to a handy accessory. Limited time offers provide special deals like discounts or gifts for a short period. You need to act fast and take advantage of exclusive savings opportunities before it ends. Stores often entice new customers with special discounts like percentage off, free shipping, and so on. It's a reward for taking the plunge and a great way to try out a new store. Membership or loyalty rewards are designed to reward customers for their continued patronage and engagement with the brand. The longer you stay with them as a customer, the more rewards you'll earn. With these different coupon codes, you can save money and enjoy extra perks while shopping.